Good morning, little pedines. How are you all? Dear students, today we are going to start lesson number 3 of grammar. Lesson number 3 of grammar, nouns countable and uncountable. Nouns countable and uncountable. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things. You know already, we can count few nouns. How can you decide which are countable, which are uncountable? As the name suggests, countable. Countable nouns are those that you can count using numbers. There are three things, like you can put a or an before them, you can put a number before them, and you can make a plural of them. So through example I will explain. This is a pencil. This is an eraser. So I can put a or an. A with pencil and with eraser. This is a pencil, this is an eraser. Now I can place one number also before them. If I am having these three, so I can say 3 pencils. I am having 3 pencils. This is a pencil. I have 3 pencils. And third is pencils. You can make plural. Pencil, pencils. So that means these are countable. An eraser, 2 erasers. So you can make plural. You can put a or an before them, and you can put some number also. 2 erasers, like that. Okay, that means these are countable. Again I will explain. Countable nouns are those that we can count using numbers. You can put a or an before them, you can put some number before them, and you can make a plural of them. Now coming on uncountable. Uncountable means that you cannot count using numbers. And same thing is here, you cannot put a or an before them, and you cannot make plural of them. For example, water. Water, you can't say a voter, you can't say 2 voters. So that means it is uncountable. You cannot put any number, you cannot make plural of uncountable nouns. You can use some measurement. Measurement means you can say 2 glasses of water. 2 glasses. Now glasses are countable. 1 glass, 2 glasses. But water itself is not countable. We have to use some measurement. You can say 2 glasses of water. So uncountable nouns are those that you cannot count. You can't put a number before them. They are material nouns. Proper nouns you cannot count. And abstract nouns like love, strength, honesty, bravery, you cannot count them. They are uncountable. Materials, water, wheat, rice, these are uncountable. Metals, gold, silver, etc. They all are uncountable nouns. So children, this is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Now we will do practice by doing the exercises of this lesson. Okay, let's do the exercises related to that lesson. Exercise A. Circle the uncountable nouns from the following group of words. Children, here you can see a group of words in this circle. You are going to circle uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that you cannot count. Before them you cannot put any number. You cannot make plural of those. So let us see apple. Apples, you can make plural and you can count them also. 5 apples, 6 apples. Milk, milk is uncountable, it is liquid. So this is uncountable noun. Water, gold, gold, metal is this. You can't say golds. Love, abstract noun. Courage, abstract noun. These all are qualities and feelings. They all are uncountable. Sand, you cannot count. Electricity, sugar, clown, rabbit, penguin, they all are countable. Flower, girl, you can make plurals of them. Girls, flowers, clowns, rabbits, penguins. So This is, all these circled ones are uncountable. Coming on next exercise B, look at the pictures below. Write C for countable nouns and U for uncountable. So here few pictures are there. Word is also written tree. Trees, you can say 5 trees, 10 trees, so it is countable. Then we have rice, you can't count rice, uncountable. You can say plate of rice, bag of rice. Money, money is uncountable. Why? Because you can't say monies, I have 5 monies. But you can count coins, you can count rupees. You can say I have 2 coins of 5 rupees, I have 10 notes of 10 notes of 100. So you can count the notes and coins, but you can't count money. Then egg, yes, eggs, you can put A or N before them also, an egg. Butter, uncountable. Salt, also uncountable. Grass is also uncountable. You can't say 5 grasses, 6 grasses. Then we have honey. Honey also is liquid form, that is not counted. You cannot count them. Birds, yes, birds, countable. Flower, uncountable. Mango, countable. Mangoes, you can make plural. Now coming on next exercise. This is fill in the blanks with words given in the box. Few words are given: sheet, glass, cube, bar, piece, spoon, loaf, bottle. These all are measurements to measure the uncountable nouns. You can put these measurements before uncountable nouns. Like I bought a loaf of bread. So bete, bread is uncountable. Loaf you can count the bread into loaves, yes, loaves plural. Then we have I added a spoon of sugar. Now sugar is uncountable, but a spoon of sugar you can count the spoons. I'm thirsty, I want to have a glass of water. I am thirsty, I want to have a glass of water. Water is uncountable, but you can count that in form of glasses. 10 glasses of water, you can say, a glass of water. The child is hungry, where is his bottle of milk? Now again, milk is uncountable, you can measure it in the form of bottles. My mother rubbed a cube of ice on my burnt hand. Again, ice is uncountable. Materials, all these are, milk is also material, water is also material, this sugar also, and cube you can use for ice. I need a sheet of paper to draw a flower. Paper itself is uncountable, but you can say 5 sheets of paper. This piece of news is not true. So news is also uncountable, but you can count using piece. 2 pieces of news. I ate a bar of chocolate. Now again, pay attention to these nouns, chocolate and bread. That you think are countable, but these are uncountable. You can say a bar of chocolate, a loaf of bread. Fine children, now match the columns. Again related to these only, that uncountable nouns are here, and the quantity that you can count. A blade of grass. Grass you can count in the form of blade. A blade of grass. A heap of sand. A heap of sand. A bowl of soup. A cake of soap. Again I will tell, pay attention here. Soap is also uncountable. You can cut them into cakes, now pieces like that. So a cake of soap. A slice of cake. A slice of cake. A liter of milk. So milk you can measure in liters also, in bottle also. 5 bottles of milk you can say a liter of milk, or 5 liters of milk. In that form also you can measure it. Coming on exercise Z, choose the correct words from the brackets. Large buildings are a common sight these days. R is plural, so buildings will come here. I lost my luggage at the airport. He has a vast knowledge of things. Vast knowledge of things. Thank you for all your help. So tick on these: buildings, luggage, knowledge, help. Next page, she is famous for her beauty. You can't make plural of abstract nouns. You can't say beauties. His luck always favors him. There are many parks near my house. There are few schools near my house. So these are countable nouns: parks, schools. But this is uncountable: luck, beauty, help, knowledge, luggage also, building. Coming on exercise F, circle the countable nouns from the following group of words. Now it's very easy for you to circle the countable nouns. Again I will tell, you can make plural of those, you can put a number before them, you can put a or an before them. So teacher, a teacher, or plural is teachers. Then fear is abstract noun, anger is abstract noun, milk is material noun, music also is abstract, pride, oil, all these are uncountable nouns. Advice, dust, energy, you cannot count them using numbers. Furniture also, you cannot count. Army, yes, armies. Baby, babies. Book, books. Wolf, wolves. Again, sugar uncountable, grass uncountable, a spoon of sugar, a blade of grass, a loaf of bread, a piece of furniture. Sheep is already countable. It is both singular and plural. Sheep, sheep. Water is uncountable. You can use a measurement: a bottle of water, glasses of water. Rice also uncountable: a plate of rice, etc. Bag of rice. Man is countable. You can make plural: men, men, men. So all these circled ones are countable and others are uncountable nouns. So this is all for this chapter, countable and uncountable nouns. Try to understand and learn the measurements for these uncountable nouns that are given here in these two exercises, C and D. So children, do this work in your book. Bye. Have a nice day.